I'm going to show you how to organize your Amazon influencer ideal list. It's simple to do, but let me show you how to do it. But first, let's go to your Amazon influencer. As you see here, my drop down, I'm going to go to my page. And under my page, I'm going to go down here. As you can see, I have some bounties across here. You can click, and these are my ideal lists. You see I have bestsellers, I have gifts for girls and wives, and you can go on down. And I'm going to show you how to organize these. I wish you can just drag them and move them, but you can't. Say for instance, I want this one first, this one second, and this one third, and men fourth. First you go over here and click on one of them and hit edit list. And you see on your edit list, you see all of my ideal lists. I thought maybe you can click on it and move it, but you can't. So say for instance, I want to organize these. Say for instance, I want girls first, boys second, women third, men fourth. So first I'm gonna click on the men. That's number 4. I click on it. And to move it to the top, you just have to move one of your arrangements. So you just drag and drop. The next one, which would be my third one, is gonna be my women's. So I click on it, just drag and move it. Okay, my second one is boys. You just drag and move. And my first one is girls. I clicked on the girls, just drag and just move. So the only thing you have to do is just move. Once you make arrangements in one of them, it moves it to the top of the list. So once you do that, you're done. So I'm gonna go to my storefront. And I'm gonna click right here, see what others see. Sometimes it takes a second to arrange it. And now as you can see, I got girls first, boys, wife, and men. So that's the only way you can rearrange this. So if I want the Toyota Tundra to come first, I will have to click on it. And I have to just go to my edit, and I edit it. Let me see where it's at. Oh, I'm still in the view as a customer, so I'm gonna go to my private view again. So if I want, say, Toyota to go to the top, I click on it. I hit edit list, and I just move. You see how I moved that? And once I moved it, it's done. It automatically saves itself. So I'm gonna go to my storefront. You're gonna notice that it's gonna be at the top of the list now. So that's it. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.